So here I am in the hospital in Philly, and I got hit. Somebody sideswiped me in the car going down Walnut Street. And the car flipped over, and they had to cut the seatbelt out, but I think I'm okay. Wait and test. We'll see. So, yeah, we'll see. But, think I'm okay. We'll see, though. But, we'll see. I get some videos coming to you soon. But I think I'm okay. We'll see. We'll see. Wait for the test to come back. But, car is done. But, thank God I'm okay. Relatively. Yeah, that's that. Philadelphia. The red lights were out, off. All the lights in that intersection was out. And someone ran. I paused. I stopped. I looked both ways. Proceeded to go through. Like I said, the other person, I guess, seen the red lights weren't out, didn't want to stop. And they kept going through the intersection. Hit me. I don't remember much. I think I remember sliding. The front airbag didn't come out, but the side ones did. But, yeah, I got out the back of the car, SUV. I guess I'm all right. Took tests. I think I'm okay. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Having some pains, back pains, little bit pains, back pains, neck pains. As you see my neck brace, back pains. Sorry about the video. Keep flipping over. But, I don't have my camera, got my phone, so I can shoot a video still. But that's that. So I'm here in the hospital. Hopefully I get out today. We'll see. All right, everybody. I'll get back to you soon. All right. See you later.